Welcome to the SUNY Adirondack Libraries tutorial on how to find Hill Collection books. First, on the library's homepage, go to the search box and enter a search. We'll use a local topic like Fort Edward. Over here on the left-hand side, look for Hill Collection. You'll see we have 54 books on that topic. Browse through the results and find some that look interesting. Here is the call number. That is the Library of Congress call number, which is the location of the book on the shelf in the Hill Collection. You can jot that number down or take a quick photo. If you want to see more about the book, you can click the link. Here, you will have more information about the book and access to the citation, permalink, and email. You'll also get the most important part, the Library of Congress call number. If you wish to learn more about the Hill Collection, you can visit the library's website. Here, you can see that the Hill Collection is a series of historical books and other materials that focus on the history of the area. If you click Using the Collections tab, you can see that there are strict guidelines for using these materials. Books from the Hill Collection cannot be borrowed, and researchers must be careful when using this collection as materials are old and fragile. If you wish to use these materials, you will need to fill out a patron form, which can be accessed right here. With this form and a photo ID, you can gain access to up to 4 items at a time from the Hill Collection. If you need any help, ask a reference librarian.